This is the second part of tutorial 1, creating the strut. So to start with, I'm going to select the working directory to start off with, and I've created one called tutorial 1, and hit OK, and now I'm ready to go. So, new, it's going to be a part, and I'm going to call this strut underscore 100, hit OK, and my basic screen comes up. Now the datum planes and stuff, I'm going to select nothing and just turn the plane display on only. Just clears up the display a bit, and away I go. So to start off with, I'm going to start with extrude, and I need to find a surface, and I'm going to take the right surface or the right plane, and from here I'm just going to leave it in this view. I'm not going to do a up here the good old sketch view. I'm just going to leave it like this and work from here. So center and point circle, and I'm going to grab one and click. If I just right mouse click out here with the center mouse button, clicks on place, I'm going to change this to the size that's 8, and it will come up like that. And that's basically where I'm at. There's my size. I accept it, and you can see now that there's my circle. It's a little bit big. I'm just going to go out, or actually go refit the view and zoom in a bit. Okay, and what the problem now is, I want it to be symmetrical across the plane. So I come here to symmetrical. There it is there, and I actually want a length of 90. Change the length. There we go. And I have it fit in. Let me zoom in like this. There's basically my size. I hit accept, and there's the first part of the strut. Okay, so Control D just to get back to the default view. I'm going to do the second part of the strut. I'm going to hit extrude. And again, it's the right surface plane. And I'm just going to zoom into this so that you can actually see what I'm doing. Maybe that's a bit too close. So right about there. Go grab circle again. Start it right here. A bit bigger. Right mouse click. And go to, this time it's 12. Okay, I accept it. And it goes the wrong way. So zoom out, you can see it. Again, I want it symmetrical. So I click there, and this time the length is 70. Hit enter, and when I fit it, there's the first part of the strut done. Right, I just hit accept, and away I go, and I'm good. Okay, I'm just going to save it, and that will be the end of the first part of creating the strut.